Check out this Plum Crazy Duster that is for sale on moparts.com. I found this amazing duster on moparts.com under the A Bodies section. Behold the stunning 1970 Plum Crazy Plymouth Duster, a meticulously restored masterpiece that will take your breath away. This beauty has recently undergone a complete ground-up restoration, taking 4 years to complete. Starting with a near-perfect 1970 H-code duster body, it was stripped down and treated to a gorgeous InViolet purple paint job as indicated on the fender tag. The engine and the A833 manual 4-speed transmission have been completely rebuilt, connecting to an 8 3/4 Sure Grip rear end. A brand new disc brake system ensures optimal stopping power. The interior features a fully restored black bench seat, ready for comfortable cruising. Added features include a shark tooth grille, hood callout, and rear wing for added appeal. The car pops with a new chrome bumper, exhaust tips, and polished trim. Clean pinked and equipped with all body numbers and fender tags, this duster is ready to hit the road. Offered at $42,000, with no trades or offers accepted. Located in Chowchilla, CA, transportation options are available at an additional cost. More pictures will be available soon. Please like and subscribe to Steals and Deals.